Today, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Facebook using OBS Studio from your computer and just one video camera. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently broadcast your content to your audience in real time, giving your Facebook followers a seamless professional live stream experience. Whether you're preparing a tutorial, a gaming session, or a live event, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to prepare your live stream on Facebook. On your computer, open your browser and head over to facebook.com/livecreate. This is the page where you'll set up your live stream, and it's your control center for going live. Once you're there, look for the Go Live button and give it a click. It might take a second for the options to load, so don't worry if you need to wait a moment. Now, Facebook will prompt you to choose your streaming method. For this tutorial, select streaming software. Why do we pick this? Well, OBS Studio is a type of streaming software. It's what connects your camera, graphics, and audio, and sends all of that to Facebook. After you choose streaming software, Facebook will show you a stream key. This is essentially your digital handshake. With it, OBS knows exactly where to send your video feed on Facebook. Treat it like a password, don't share it around, and keep this page open because we'll be coming back to it in a moment. Next, let's switch over to OBS Studio. If you haven't already installed OBS, you'll want to download it and set it up. Once you're in OBS, look for the Settings button at the bottom right of your screen and click on it. In the Settings menu, head to the Stream section. This is where you tell OBS where your video needs to go. In the Service dropdown, select Facebook Live. That way, OBS formats everything perfectly for Facebook's requirements. Now, remember that streaming key from Facebook? Copy it carefully. It's long and unique for each session. Paste this key into the Stream Key field in OBS. This step links your OBS broadcast directly to your Facebook Live event. Without this step, your stream wouldn't have anywhere to go, so it's very important. Once you've pasted the key, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Alright, you're now nearly ready to go live. Make sure your video camera is connected to your computer and selected as your OBS source. Add your camera in OBS if you haven't done that already. It's as simple as clicking the plus icon under Sources and choosing Video Capture Device, then picking your camera from the list. I always check the preview window in OBS to see that my video is coming in crisp and clear. Don't worry if you need a minute here to adjust lighting or camera angles. Now, you're at the exciting part. In OBS, hit Start Streaming. OBS will begin transmitting your video and audio to Facebook using that stream key. Sometimes this can take a few seconds, so be patient. Especially if your internet connection needs a moment to catch up. Head back to your browser, to the Facebook Live page you left open. In a few seconds after you start streaming in OBS, you should see your video feed appear on Facebook. If you see your camera's image and hear the audio, congratulations, you're live. Just double check that everything looks and sounds good before you start addressing your audience. And just like that, you're streaming live on Facebook using OBS Studio. Whether you're streaming a presentation, a music performance, or just chatting, you now know how to get set up and broadcast with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button. It really supports our channel. Feel free to drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or have questions about OBS or live streaming. And don't forget to subscribe if you want even more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.